Hi, and welcome to the Gherkin BDD tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload your Gherkin file and have all of your test cases automatically created. The first step that you'll need to do is make sure that your Gherkin file has the correct tags associated. For each scenario, you must add KTC for it to pick up and KTS for the feature file. Once that is done, you can go to your domain, click on Upload Gherkin file, choose the file, click the feature file, and all the test cases that were associated in that specified will be created. In this, I had two scenarios, success login and the failed login, and I have currently both of them shown. And if I click on one, I can see the associated tag at KTC success login is being shown, as well as the Gherkin step. This will allow you to create all of your test cases that in Gherkin rapidly. Thank you.